Welcome to this guided meditation. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or laying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Then gently exhale. Feel the weight of your body relaxing into the surface beneath you. As you continue to breathe slowly, bring your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head, and with each exhale, release any tension you may be holding. Feel the relaxation moving down your face, softening your eyes and your jaw. With each breath, imagine a wave of warmth and calm spreading down your neck, down your shoulders, and down your arm. Let any tightness melt away. Now bring your focus to your chest. Feel it rise and fall with each breath. Allow your heart rate to slow, syncing with the gentle rhythm. As you exhale, release any tension in your abdomen, your hips, and your legs. Let your body sink deeper into relaxation. Your legs will grow heavier as they too let go of any stress. Now, visualize a peaceful place, a sunlit meadow, a quiet beach, or even a forest path. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin or the gentle breeze in the air. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this scene. Let it bring you a sense of peace and calm. If any thoughts or distractions arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath and your peaceful place. Inhale and exhale. 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 As we come to the end of this meditation, start to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take one more deep breath in, then let it out. Thank you for joining this meditation. Remember, you can return to this place of peace whenever you need to. If you enjoyed this guided meditation, like the video and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments how you felt after completing this guided meditation. Before you go about your day, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you do not miss any new content on mindfulness, self-care, and motivation. I will catch you in the next video tomorrow at 3 p.m.